Olunaku lw'ejjo abadde Ssaabasumba w'aba Orthodox mu ggwanga Metropolitan Jonah Lwanga yaziikiddwa mu nnyumba ye ey'olubeerera ku Ekelesiya e Namuŋŋoona. Olunaku olwaleero ne Palamenti ya kuno naye Esiimye Emirimu gy'omugenzi era ng'omumyuka wa Ssaabaminisita owokusatu Lukiya Nakadaama yasomye ekiteeso ekisiima emirimu gy'omugenzi.
After the death of the Archbishop Theodorus Nachama on 27th October 2017, the Metropolitan was elevated to the rank of an elder by the Holy Synod in Alexandria. Right Honourable Speaker and colleagues, we mourn and celebrate the life of a distinguished person who devoted his life in spreading the gospel of Christianity in Uganda and Central Africa under the Eastern Orthodox Church of Alexandria. Apart from overseeing the growth of the Orthodox Church in Uganda, in which more parishes were opened, churches built.
Onawagiddwa n'akulira oludda olwabula gavumenti mu Palamenti Mark Mathias Mpuga Nsamba ng'onalaze nga omugenzi w'abadde ekyokulabirako era yagala ensi ye.
Require him to breathe down the necks of those who respected him as a way of demanding respect, which is why all of us speak about him with humility, because he lived, he served, and departed. I am yet to hear an accusing finger pointed at him. You know, Right Honourable Speaker, in this country is a very funny country.
Abaka b'enjawulo nabo bawadde endowooza zaabwe ku bulamu bw'omugenzi na biki gavumenti bye yandikoze okusigala ng'omugenzi ajjukirwa era nga n'entuuyo ze tezifa ttogge.
So government should come up clearly before this house to commit themselves that the construction of the Orthodox Church is going to be worked on, because I expected this in this motion, but I haven't seen it. So I beg the move of the motion, together with other members of the House, because we all know the role of the late as far as this matter is concerned.
Few in this country, but we have a voice, and it has been heard. It is my humble prayer, therefore, that what he was yearning for is worked upon, Right Honourable Speaker. Because yes, he was given a state burial, but believe you me, the late Archbishop I knew, if he would get up from that casket, he would chase out all these people. He would say, "What are you doing here?"
Jessica Lupo, who was convening all meetings to ensure that we have a befitting send-off. She's not in the house? Oh, I beg your pardon, Your Excellency. I want to thank you. I thought I should go on record. And I also gave in a good word for you. You surprised me with your skills. Sincerely, and this I'm speaking from the bottom of my heart. Sincerely. No. You learn to give credit where it's due. We should be that. Where one has excelled, you do that. I want to thank Honourable Chris Bariomonsi, because he was always the chairperson and in charge of the finances. It wasn't easy. He did it. He executed his job very well.
Omugenzi Jonah Lwanga yabadde omukulembeze w'ebenzikiriza eya Orthodox wano mu nnyaffe Uganda okuva mu mwaka ogwa 1997 era nga yazaalibwa mu mwaka ogwa 1945 Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.